This is a timeline of solar system exploration ordered by date of spacecraft launch. It includes all spacecraft that have left Earth orbit for the purposes of solar system exploration, including lunar probes, a small number of pioneering and notable Earth-orbiting craft. It does not include the great majority of Earth-orbiting satellites, space probes leaving Earth orbit but are not concerned with solar system exploration. Probes that failed at launch. The dates listed are launch dates, but the achievements noted may have occurred some time later, in some cases, a considerable time later. Missions in italics are unfinished, i.e., have not yet been designated as successes or failures. Some unitalicized missions are nevertheless still operational, some in mission extension phases. 1950s. 1957 Sputnik 1–4 October 1957 First Earth Orbiter. Sputnik 2–3 November 1957 Earth Orbiter. First animal in orbit, a dog named Laika. 1958 Explorer 1–1 February 1958 Earth Orbiter. First American orbiter. Discovered Van Allen radiation belts. The Vanguard 1–17 March 1958 Earth Orbiter. Oldest spacecraft still in Earth orbit. 1959 Lunar 1–2 January 1959 First Lunar Flyby. Pioneer 4–3 March 1959 Lunar Flyby. Lunar 2–12 September 1959 First Lunar Impact. Lunar 3–4 October 1959 Lunar Flyby. First images of far side of Moon. 1960s. 1960 Pioneer 5–11 March 1960 Interplanetary Space Investigations. 1961 Venera 1–12 February 1961 Venus Flyby. Vostok 1–12 April 1961 First Manned Earth Orbiter. Mercury Redstone 3–5 May 1961 First American in Space. Ranger 1–23 August 1961 Attempted lunar test flight. Ranger 2–18 November 1961 Attempted lunar test flight. 1962 Ranger 3–26 January 1962 Attempted lunar impact. Mercury Atlas 6–20 February 1962 First American manned Earth orbiter. Ranger 4–23 April 1962 Lunar impact. Mariner 2–27 August 1962 First successful planetary encounter. First successful Venus flyby. Ranger 5–18 October 1962 Attempted lunar impact. Mars 1–1 November 1962 Mars Flyby. 1963 Lunar 4–2 April 1963 Attempted Lunar Lander. Cosmos 21–11 November 1963 Attempted Venera test flight. 1964 Ranger 6–30 January 1964 Lunar impact. Zond 1–2 April 1964 Venus flyby. Ranger 7–28 July 1964 Lunar impact. Mariner 3–5 November 1964 Attempted Mars flyby. Mariner 4–28 November 1964 First Mars flyby. Zond 2–30 November 1964 Mars flyby. 1965 Ranger 8–17 February 1965 Lunar impact. Ranger 9–21 March 1965 Lunar impact. Lincoln Calibration Sphere 1–6 May 1965 Oldest spacecraft still in use. Lunar 5–9 May 1965 Lunar impact. Lunar 6–8 June 1965 Attempted Lunar Lander. Zond 3–18 July 1965 Lunar Flyby. Lunar 7–4 October 1965 Lunar Impact. Venera 2 to 12 November 1965 Venus Flyby, Venera 3 to 16 November 1965 Venus Lander, first spacecraft to reach another planet's surface, first Venus impact, Lunar 8 to 3 December 1965 Lunar impact, Pioneer 6 to 16 December 1965 Space weather observations, 1966 as 201 Lunar 9 to 31 January 1966 First Lunar Lander, as 201 the 26th of February 1966 Lunar Program Test Flight, Lunar 10 to 31 March 1966 First Lunar Orbiter, Surveyor 1 to 30 May 1966 Lunar Lander, Explorer 33 to 1 July 1966 Attempted Lunar Orbiter, Lunar Orbiter 1 to 10 August 1966 Lunar Orbiter, Pioneer 7 to 17 August 1966 Space weather observations, Lunar 11 to 24 August 1966 Lunar Orbiter, Surveyor 2 to 20 September 1966 Attempted Lunar Lander, Lunar 12 to 22 October 1966 Lunar Orbiter, Lunar Orbiter 2 to 6 November 1966 Lunar Orbiter, Lunar 13 to 21 December 1966 Lunar Lander, 1967 Lunar Orbiter 3 to 4 February 1967 Lunar Orbiter, Surveyor 3 to 17 April 1967 Lunar Lander, Lunar Orbiter 4 to 8 May 1967 Lunar Orbiter, Venera 4 to 12 June 1967 First Venus Atmospheric Probe, Mariner 5 to 14 June 1967 Venus Flyby, Surveyor 4 to 14 July 1967 Attempted Lunar Lander, Explorer 35 to 19 July 1967 Lunar Orbiter, Lunar Orbiter 5 to 1 August 1967 Lunar Orbiter, Surveyor 5 to 8 September 1967 Lunar Lander, Surveyor 6 to 7 November 1967 Lunar Lander, Apollo 4 to 9 November 1967 Lunar Program Test Flight, Pioneer 8 to 13 December 1967 Space weather observations, 1968 Surveyor 7 to 7 January 1968 Lunar Lander, Apollo 5 to 22 January 1968 Lunar Program Test Flight, Zond 4 to 2 March 1968 Lunar Program Test Flight, Lunar 14 to 7 April 1968 Lunar Orbiter, Zond 5 to 15 September 1968 First Lunar Flyby and Return to Earth, Apollo 7 to 22 October 1968 Lunar Program Test Flight, Pioneer 9 to 8 November 1968 Space weather observations, Zond 6 to 10 November 1968 Lunar Flyby and Return to Earth, Apollo 8 to 21 December 1968 First Manned Lunar Orbiter, 1969 Venera 5 to 5 January 1969 Venus Atmospheric Probe, Venera 6 to 10 January 1969 Venus Atmospheric Probe, Mariner 6 to 25 February 1969 Mars Flyby, Apollo 9 to 3 March 1969 Manned Lunar Lander Flight Test, Mariner 7 to 27 March 1969 Mars Flyby, Apollo 10 to 18 May 1969 Manned Lunar Orbiter, Lunar E8-5 No. 402 to 14 June 1969 Attempted Lunar Sample Return, First Attempted Sample Return Mission, Lunar 15 to 13 July 1969 Second Attempted Lunar Sample Return, Apollo 11 to 16 July 1969 First Manned Lunar Landing and First Successful Sample Return Mission, Zond 7 to 7 August 1969 1969 lunar flyby and return to Earth. Apollo 12 to 14 November 1969 manned lunar landing. 1970s. 1970 Apollo 13 to 11 April 1970 manned lunar flyby and return to Earth. Farthest from Earth a human has gone. Venera 7 to 17 August 1970 first Venus lander. Lunar 16 to 12 September 1970 first robotic lunar sample return. Zond 8 to 20 October 1970 lunar flyby and return to Earth. Lunar 17, Lunocod 1 to 10 November 1970 first lunar rover. 1971 Apollo 14 to 31 January 1971 manned lunar landing. Salyut 1 to 19 April 1971 first space station. Mariner 9 to 30 May 1971 first Mars orbiter. Mars 2 to 19 May 1971 Mars orbiter and attempted lander, first Mars impact. Mars 3 to 28 May 1971 Mars orbiter, first Mars lander and first Mars atmospheric probe. Apollo 15 to 26 July 1971 manned lunar landing, first manned lunar rover. Lunar 18 to 2 September 1971 attempted lunar sample return. Lunar 19 to 28 September 1971 lunar orbiter. 1972 Lunar 20 to 14 February 1972 lunar robotic sample return. Pioneer 10 to 3 March 1972 first Jupiter Flyby. Venera 8 to 27 March 1972 Venus lander. Apollo 16 to 16 April 1972 manned lunar landing. Apollo 17 to 7 December 1972 last manned lunar landing. 1973 Lunar 21, Lunocod 2 to 8 January 1973 lunar rover. Pioneer 11 to 5 April 1973 Jupiter Flyby and first Saturn Flyby. Skylab the 14th of May 1973 first American space station. Explorer 49 to 10 June 1973 lunar orbiter. Radio astronomy. Mars 4 to 21 July 1973 Mars Flyby. Mars 5 to 25 July 1973 Mars orbiter. Mars 6 to 5 August 1973 Mars orbiter and attempted lander. Mars 7 to 9 August 1973 Mars flyby and attempted lander. Mariner 10 to 4 November 1973 Venus flyby and first Mercury flyby. 1974 Lunar 22 to 2 June 1974 Lunar orbiter. Lunar 23 to 28 October 1974 attempted lunar sample returned. Helios 8 the 10th of December 1974 solar observations. 1975 Venera 9 to 8 June 1975 first Venus orbiter and lander. First images from surface of Venus. Venera 10 to 14 June 1975 Venus orbiter and lander. Viking 1 to 20 August 1975 Mars orbiter and lander. First lander returning data and first pictures from Martian surface. Viking 2 to 9 September 1975 Mars orbiter and lander. 1976 Helios B the 15th of January 1976 solar observations closest solar approach. Lunar 24 to 9 August 1976 lunar robotic sample returned. 1977 Voyager 2 to 20 August 1977 Jupiter, Saturn, first Uranus, first Neptune flyby. Voyager 1 to 5 September 1977 Jupiter, Saturn flyby, farthest human-made object, currently about 135 astronomical units. 1978 Pioneer Venus 1 to 20 May 1978 Venus orbiter. Pioneer Venus 2–8 August 1978 Venus Atmospheric Probes, ISEE-3 the 12th of August 1978 Solar Wind Investigations, later redesignated International Cometary Explorer and performed Comet Giacobini-Zinner and Comet Halley flybys. First Comet Flyby, Venera 11–9 September 1978 Venus Flyby and Lander, Venera 12–14 September 1978 Venus Flyby and Lander, 1980s, 1981 Venera 13–30 October 1981 Venus Flyby and Lander, Venera 14–4 November 1981 Venus Flyby and Lander, 1983 Venera 15–2 June 1983 Venus Orbiter, Venera 16–7 June 1983 Venus Orbiter, 1984 Vega 1–15 December 1984 Venus Flyby, Lander and first balloon, continued on to Comet Halley Flyby, Vega 2–21 December 1984 Venus Flyby, Lander and balloon, continued on to Comet Halley Flyby, 1985 Sakigake the 7th of January 1985 Comet Halley Flyby, Giotto the 2nd of July 1985 Comet Halley Flyby, Suesse the 18th of August 1985 Comet Halley Flyby, 1986 Mir the 20th of February 1986 First Modular Space Station, 1988 Phobos 1–7 July 1988 Attempted Mars Orbiter, Phobos Landers, Phobos 2–12 July 1988 Mars Orbiter, Attempted Phobos Landers, 1989 Magellan the 4th of May 1989 Venus Orbiter, Galileo the 18th of October 1989 Venus Flyby, First Asteroid Flyby, First Asteroid Moon Discovery, First Jupiter Orbiter Atmospheric Probe, 1990s. 1990 Heighten the 24th of January 1990 Lunar Flyby and Orbiter, Hubble Space Telescope, Orbital Space Telescope, Ulysses the 6th of October 1990 Solar Polar Orbiter, 1991 Yoko the 30th of August 1991 Solar Observations, 1992 Mars Observer the 25th of September 1992 Attempted Mars Orbiter, 1994 Clementine the 25th of January 1994 Lunar Orbiter, Attempted Asteroid Flyby, Wind the 1st of November 1994 Solar Wind Observations, 1995 Soho the 2nd of December 1995 Solar Observatory, 1996 Near Shoemaker the 17th of February 1996 Eros Orbiter, First Near-Earth Asteroid Flyby, First Asteroid Orbit and First Asteroid Landing, Mars Global Surveyor the 7th of November 1996 Mars Orbiter, Mars 96–16 November 1996 Attempted Mars Orbiter, Landers, Mars Pathfinder the 4th of December 1996 Mars Lander and First Planetary Rover, 1997 ACE the 25th of August 1997 Solar Wind and Space Weather Observations, Cassini-Huygens the 15th of October 1997 First Saturn Orbiter and First Outer Planet Lander, AsiaSat 3 HGS-1 the 24th of December 1997 Lunar Flyby, 1998 Lunar Prospector the 7th of January 1998 Lunar Orbiter, Nozomi the 3rd of July 1998 Attempted Mars Orbiter, Deep Space 1–24 October 1998 Asteroid and Comet Flyby, the 20th of November 1998 International Space Station, Mars Climate Orbiter, the 11th of December 1998 Attempted Mars Orbiter, 1999 Mars Polar Lander, Deep Space 2 to 3 January 1999 Attempted Mars Lander, Penetrators, Stardust, the 7th of February 1999 First Comet Coma Sample Returned the 15th of January 2006. 2000s. 2001 Mars Odyssey, the 7th of April 2001 Mars Orbiter, Genesis, the 8th of August 2001 First Solar Wind Sample Returned, 2002 Contour, the 3rd of July 2002 Attempted Flyby of 3 Comet Nuclei, 2003 Hayabusa, the 9th of May 2003 Asteroid Lander and First Sample Returned from Asteroid, Mars Express, Beagle 2 to 1 June 2003 Mars Orbiter, Lander, Mars Exploration Rover Spirit, the 10th of June 2003 Mars Rover, Mars Exploration Rover Opportunity, the 7th of July 2003 Mars Rover, Smart 1, the 27th of September 2003 Lunar Orbiter, Shenzhou 5 to 15 October 2003 China's first manned Earth orbiter, 2004 Rosetta, Philae, the 2nd of March 2004 First Comet Orbiter and Lander, Messenger, the 3rd of August 2004 First Mercury Orbiter, 2005 Deep Impact, the 12th of January 2005 First Comet Impact, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, the 12th of August 2005 Mars Orbiter, Venus Express, the 9th of November 2005 Venus Polar Orbiter, 2006 New Horizons, the 19th of January 2006 First Pluto, Gagarin Flyby, Kinode, the 22nd of September 2006 Solar Orbiter, Stereo, the 26th of October 2006 Two spacecraft, Solar Orbiters, 2007 Phoenix, the 4th of August 2007 Mars Polar Lander, Selene, the 14th of September 2007 Lunar Orbiters, Dawn, the 27th of September 2007 Asteroid Series Investor Orbiter, Chang'e to 24 October 2007 Lunar Orbiter, 2008 CHANDRAYAN1 the 22nd of October 2008 Lunar Orbiter and Impactor, discovered water on the Moon, 2009 Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter LCROSS, the 18th of June 2009 Lunar Polar Orbiter and Lunar Impactor, 2010s. 2010 Solar Dynamics Observatory, the 11th of February 2010 Continuous Solar Monitoring, Akatsuki, the 20th of May 2010 Venus Orbiter, Picard, the 15th of June 2010 Solar Monitoring, Chang'e 2 to 1 October 2010 Lunar Orbiter, Asteroid 4179 to Tartus Flyby, 2011 Juno, the 5th of August 2011 Jupiter Orbiter, Grail, the 10th of September 2011 Two spacecraft, Lunar Orbiters, Tiangong, the 29th of September 2011 First Chinese Space Station, Phobos Grunt and YINGHU-01 the 8th of November 2011 Phobos Orbiter, Lander and Sample Return, Mars Orbiter, failed to escape Earth orbit, Mars Science Laboratory 26th of November 2011 Large Mars 900 kg rover, 2012 Van Allen probes, the 30th of August 2012 Earth Van Allen radiation belt study, 2013 Iris, the 27th of June 2013 Solar observations, LADEE, the 6th of September 2013 Lunar Orbiter, Hisaki, the 14th of September 2013 Planetary Atmosphere Observatory, Mars Orbiter Mission, the 5th of November 2013 Mars Orbiter, Maven, the 18th of November 2013, Mars orbiter. Chang 3-1, December 2013, first Chinese lunar lander and rover. 2014 Chang 5T1, the 23rd of October 2014, Lunar Flyby orbiter and Earth re-entry probe. Technology demonstration to prepare for Chang 5 mission. Hayabusa 2, Procyon, the 3rd of December 2014, asteroid lander and sample return. Asteroid flyby. Exploration flight test 1-5 December 2014, unmanned Earth orbital test of Orion interplanetary vehicle. 2015 DSCOVR, the 11th of February 2015, solar observation. Astrosat, the 28th of September 2015, space observatory. 2016 ExoMars trace gas orbiter and EDM lander, the 14th of March 2016, Mars orbiter and first ESA Roscosmos Mars lander. Planned schedule. 2016 OSIRIS-REx, September 2016, asteroid sample return mission. 2017 Chang 5, China's first lunar sample return mission. Astrobotic technology, first private lunar lander and rover mission. 2018 International Lunar Network, the 1st of March 2018, lunar lander. Bepi Colombo, April 2018, Mercury orbiters. Inside, the 5th of May, Mars lander. Solar probe plus the 30th of July 2018, solar orbiter. Closest solar approach. Solo, October 2018, solar orbiter. Exploration mission 1 November 2018, unmanned lunar orbital test of Orion interplanetary vehicle and space launch system. SpaceX Red Dragon unmanned Mars lander, first private mission to Mars. Selene 2 lunar orbiter and lander. Lunar Glob lander, lunar orbiter, lander. Lunar Glob orbiter, lunar orbiter. CHANDRAYAN 2 lunar orbiter and rover. 2019 SLIM, first Japanese lunar lander and rover. Lunar Research lander, lunar lander. Aditya 2017-2018 solar observations. 2020 Chang 4 lunar lander and rover, the first landing on the lunar far side. Chang 6 lunar sample return mission. 2020 Chinese Mars mission, Mars orbiter, lander and rover. ExoMars rover. July 2020 Russian Mars lander and European rover. Mars 2020 rover mission. Mars sample return mission. Mars Hope Emirati Mars orbiter. 2021 ISRO orbital vehicle, first Indian manned orbiter. Asteroid redirect mission, remove a boulder from an asteroid and put into lunar orbit. 2022 Jupiter Icy Moon Explorer mission to explore Jupiter and its icy moons. 2023 Lunar Grunt rover, lunar orbiter, lander and rover. 2024 Venera D, Venus orbiter, lander. 2025 Europa mission launch. Manned landing on an asteroid. Lunar Grunt sample return vehicle, lunar sample return mission. 2028 manned lunar orbiter. 2030 manned lunar landing. Manned landing on the Moon. 2031 Mercury P, first Mercury lander. 2037 Lunar Polygon, completion of robotic lunar base, first human mission to Mars. 2040-60 crewed phase of the Chinese Mars exploration program. Crewed phase of the Russian Mars exploration program. Gallery.